In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Kartra. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your Stripe account securely linked to Kartra so you can take payments without any hassle. We'll keep it simple and clear, and I'll add helpful tips as we go so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Kartra. Look for the official Kartra website and double-check the URL to make sure you're on the correct, secure page. When you see the login option, click it and sign in to your Kartra account. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that step as usual. It's a good idea to bookmark your Kartra dashboard for quick access later. Once you're logged in, head to your account settings. Depending on your layout, you may find settings from the left side menu or under your profile icon at the top. Inside Settings, locate the section labeled Integrations. This is where Kartra connects with third-party services like payment gateways. Click into Integrations to open the list and options. In the Integrations area, look to the top right and click the button to add a new integration. A panel or window will appear showing available providers. Choose Stripe from the list, then click Next to proceed. If you manage multiple payment gateways, it helps to label them clearly inside Kartra later. But for now, we'll focus on making the initial connection. On the next screen, click Connect with Stripe. Kartra will open a new window or tab for Stripe's secure authorization. If your browser blocks pop-ups, temporarily allow them so the Stripe window can open. In the Stripe window, sign in to your Stripe account. If you manage more than one Stripe account or multiple businesses, select the correct one for this Kartra workspace. Follow the on-screen prompts, review the permissions, and confirm the connection. This simply authorizes Kartra to process payments through your Stripe account. You can change or revoke access later from Stripe if needed. After authorizing, you'll be redirected back to Kartra. You should see Stripe listed among your integrations, typically with a status indicating it's connected. If Kartra shows test or live indicators, make sure you understand which mode you're in before selling. If anything doesn't load or you see an error, refresh the page, try an incognito window, or momentarily disable ad blockers. Also confirm you have the necessary permissions in Stripe to approve integrations. That's it. Your Stripe account is now connected to Kartra, and you're ready to use it when setting up products, subscriptions, and checkout pages.